He was a quiet man. His name was Adam. He lived in a small town near a river. The town was simple and calm. People knew each other. People said hello every day. Adam woke up early each morning. He opened his small window. Cool air came inside. He looked at the sky. The sky was often soft and blue. Sometimes it was gray. Adam liked the quiet time. He liked to sit on his bed and breathe slowly. His room was small. There was a bed, a chair, and a table. On the table was an old book. Adam looked at this book every day, but he did not open it. This book was his secret. No one knew about it. Not his neighbors. Not his friends. Not even his family. Adam kept this secret deep in his heart. He walked outside after breakfast. He ate simple food. Bread. Tea. Sometimes fruit. He locked his door and walked on the narrow road. The road went past small houses. Some houses had flowers. Some had old walls. People smiled at Adam. He smiled back. He was kind, but quiet. He did not talk much. People said Adam was nice but distant. They did not know his story. Adam worked in a small shop. The shop sold paper, pens, and books. Adam liked books. He touched them gently. He cleaned the shelves every day. He liked the smell of paper. Customers came and went. Adam helped them with calm hands. He spoke slowly. He used simple words. Children liked him. Old people trusted him. The shop owner was a kind woman. Her name was Maria. She trusted Adam. She said he was honest. Adam worked there for many years. Every day felt the same. But inside Adam, something was different. Inside him lived a heavy feeling. It was not pain, but it was not peace. It was a secret feeling. Adam remembered his past every night. When the shop closed, Adam walked home. The sun was low. The sky turned orange. Birds flew home. Adam liked to watch them. He thought about flying too. Not with wings, but with freedom. At home, Adam cooked simple food. Rice. Soup. He ate alone. Silence filled the room. After dinner, Adam sat at the table. He looked at the old book. His hand shook a little. His heart beat fast. He wanted to open the book, but he did not. He closed his eyes instead. He remembered a time long ago. He was young then. He was not quiet. He laughed a lot. He talked a lot. He had dreams. Big dreams. He wanted to travel. He wanted to speak to people. He wanted to help others. But one day, something happened. That day changed his life. Adam was only 18 years old. He lived with his father and mother. They were poor but loving. His father worked hard. His mother smiled often. Adam went to school. He was a good student. He liked learning. One day, a teacher gave Adam a chance. The teacher said Adam could go to the city. He could study more. This was a big chance. Adam was happy. His parents were proud. They sold some things to help him. Adam promised to return. He promised to help them. He went to the city with hope in his heart. The city was loud. The city was big. Adam felt small but excited. He studied hard. He worked part-time. Life was not easy, but Adam was strong. Then one night, everything changed. Adam made a mistake. It was not planned. It was not evil. But it was a mistake. Adam trusted the wrong person. That person asked Adam to help with something small. Adam said yes. He wanted to be kind. But that small thing became big. Police came. Adam was scared. He did not understand. He tried to explain. But no one listened. Adam was blamed. His name was written in papers. People looked at him with cold eyes. Adam felt shame. He felt fear. His parents heard the news. They were sad. Adam returned to his town. He did not go back to school. He did not speak much. He stopped smiling. He carried this memory every day. The book on his table was from that time. It held papers, letters, proof, truth. Adam kept it safe. He was afraid. Afraid to open it. Afraid to tell anyone. He thought people would hate him. So he stayed quiet. Years passed. Adam became the man he was now. Quiet. Kind. Alone. But the secret stayed. It waited. Every night, Adam asked himself the same question. Should I tell the truth? Should I open the book? His heart wanted peace. His mind wanted safety. He slept with this question every night. And one night, something small changed. A knock came at his door. Adam opened his eyes. His heart beat fast. He stood up slowly. He walked to the door. He opened it. A young boy stood there. The boy looked scared. The boy held a paper. Adam did not know it yet, but this knock was the start of change.